I'm Nikki. I'm the co-founder of Centered Meditation, and I want to personally invite you to our Ease and Flow of Ayurveda workshop this Thursday evening. Ayurveda is the health science of India. It's particularly close to my heart because, as a lot of you wouldn't know, I'm actually an Ayurvedic practitioner. Ayurveda completely revolutionized my approach to health. I find it really logical. It's based on the premise that, well, as human beings, we're actually part of nature. It sounds really obvious, but we often go about the earth as if we're beyond it. And when we actually recognize that and start to live in line with the laws of nature, it has a profound impact on our health, our well-being, our vitality, creativity, productivity, and the list goes on. So we have Myra Lewin coming all the way from Hawaii. She is an Ayurvedic practitioner, a yoga therapist. She is an international author and speaker. She has more than 20 years of experience, and she's going to explain to us really practically how to live in line with the laws of nature. What does that look like? How can we tap into our potential by tweaking really simple things in our day? So really excited to have her coming, and would love to have you along. Please let us know if you've got any questions at all, and otherwise we'll see you soon. Bye.